Okay, today for math, we are doing a lesson not from your packet. The other day we did, let's see if I can pull this up. So if you remember the other day, well, it was like last week, we took a mixed number, so a whole number and a fraction, and turned it into an improper fraction. So where the numerator was bigger than the denominator. So today we're gonna do the opposite. So we're gonna take an improper fraction, which means our numerator is bigger than the denominator, so like our 7 is bigger than 5. Okay, and I'm going to teach you how to convert that. So I'm going to get my drawing tool. I might need to move this box out of the way. There we go. Okay, so this symbol right here, the division sign, or not the division sign, sorry, the fraction symbol actually means to divide. Okay, so really what you're doing in this problem is 7 divided by 5. Okay, now that's not going to just give me an easy number that I know off the top of my head. However, I'm going to set it up like a long division problem. So the numerator goes on the inside because you're dividing that up by 5. Okay, so I think 5 goes into 7 how many times? 5 fits in 1 time. 5 times 1 is 5. So all this is like normal. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now, to figure out your new answer and turning it into a mixed number, your whole number is going to be how many whole times 5 fit into 7, which was just 1. Okay, and then what I had left over, or your remainder, becomes your numerator. So I have 2 left over out of, and it's out of 5. Okay, 2 out of 5 because your denominator is not changing. I had 2/5 left over is basically what we're saying there. So it's a little hard to read. So your final answer for M would be 1 2/5. Okay, so I'm going to clear that really quick, but I am going to try to write that answer on here, maybe. Let me just click on this, maybe. Oh, maybe I have to stop this. Hold on. One moment, please. There we go. Okay. So this would be 1 2/5. Okay. All right, let's do n together also. So for n, I have 9/4, and I'm going to leave the work on this one. So remember, this symbol means to divide. So I'm doing 9 divided by 4. So we're doing 9. It's being broken up by 4. So I think, how many full times can 4 go into 9? That's twice. 4 times 2 is 8. And I subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, so the first part's super simple, just some quick long division. Now I need to figure out my whole number for my mixed number. So that's how many full times 4 fit into 9, which if I look, that was 2. So I'd have 2. And then what was left over becomes the numerator of the fraction. So I have 1 left over, and I have 1 out of 4, 1 piece out of the fourths, 1/4 left over. So my answer here for number n would be 2 1/4. Okay. All right, I'm going to do one more with you, I think. Yeah, let's do O together also. So for O, I have 5/3, so this means to divide. So 5 divided by 3. So I'm going to do my 5 divided by 3. How many full times does 3 go into 5? That's only once. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract, I get 2. So now for my whole number, how many full times did 3 fit? That was once. And then what was left becomes the numerator, which is 2, is my remainder. So this comes from here. What's left over? Your whole number comes from up top. That's how we find our whole number. And then your denominator is going to always stay the same. Okay, so you would just drag your 3 right over. So 1 2/3 would be your final answer. Okay, so that leaves you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems to do for math today. And that's all I'm going to have you do because I know you have kind of some lengthy other assignments. So math will be short.